Schwabangin sedang ya ke kubor, ni kerpat ipi ki nongpek, ban subscribe ya ni ke channel, ban klik ya notification bell, pen yo kloy ki kubor na ke jela.
Kamiglaya TMC mene ka ap sautrik ukulan lingkot arajar pulai, kelap pelat pat baik kot lingkodok kebedan ni kamatrik kam kaseng, akan ni ke election cakayin darbat hawan ke jela, hau benar rempang mentau snem. Ya ketika kot la pelat du National General Secretary ka AITC u Abhishek Banerjee haringkat ke jingadan lang UMP ke Raja Sabha u Derek O'Brien unangilam kaliang persya u Dr. Mukul Sangma u State President u Bak Charles Pingrome bat ki kertong bat ki nong persyan.
Of the people of Meghalaya. Today marks a special occasion when we launch TMC's election manifesto and TMC's 10 pledges for Meghalaya to bring peace, progress and prosperity to the state. The past year proved to be extremely fulfilling and fruitful for us. Our strength has increased manifold as more and more people of Meghalaya are showing support for our progressive vision. The massive support for our party and honorable leaders was seen at Mendipathar, where 50,000 plus people joined us. The ever-growing belief of the people in our honest work is a testament to our commitment towards Meghalaya's progress. I, on behalf of Meghalaya TMC, would like to extend a gratitude for the overwhelming response our two revolutionary schemes, the Meghalaya Financial Inclusion for Women Empowerment, the WE scheme, and the Meghalaya Youth Empowerment.
Pledges, commitment, promises, where will the money come from? All this already has been factored in. If you ask me how much money do we need to ensure that all these women who have registered and showed their unwavering faith and support in WeCard, where will the state get this money from? Where will the exchequer get this money from? The state has the money, but the government doesn't have the intention to spend. This is the problem. This is the difference we want to bring in and the impact we want to create. We are not giving you, this is not a gift that the government is giving you. This is your right. And we are here to fight for your right, to ensure that you get what you deserve. If every woman from a single household is honored and given 1,000 rupees and is empowered by giving 12,000 rupees annually, we are not doing a favor. It will not cost the exchequer lakhs of crores. It will only cost the exchequer 750 crores. That is not even 3% of the budgetary allocation. So everything has been factored. Under Guarantee for Brighter Future, we also will engage and identify every individual, especially in the tourism sector, and their services to be formalized through government registered job cards, providing a monthly honorarium of 2,500. Now you might ask, if everyone is given an honorarium of 2,500, where will this money come from? To boost the tourism industry, all individuals engaged in the sector, we will identify them and provide them with a monthly honorarium of 2,500. This will create an additional financial burden to the government to the tune of 75 crores annually.
For a change. This hunger and thirst for this change is because all the people across the state understand as to how we are all equally responsible to determine the destiny of our state and not allow the destiny of our state to be in the hands of the bunch of other self-centric, anti-people politicians. It's because of this collective resolve to fulfill these dreams of bringing a change that people from all across the state have shown their desire, the trust and confidence upon this party, our Meghalaya TMC. I would like to thank all our friends who have, despite challenges, despite difficulties and constraints, come together and agreed to build this team, agreed to build this party. All the foot soldiers in different difficult, remotest parts of the states have come together. We are witnessing it every time we have a program. There is a program in Mendipatha where we had to request people that only the friends from around the designated venue should come because our Mamata Didi, our national chairperson, shall have summer program in other parts of the state. It was very difficult for us rather to really convince our people to wait and be part of this program, to be part of the other programs. And we saw people from all around. As a political party, when we organize such political rallies, we do give targets. Everywhere, they overshoot the target. As we completed the program when I was coming out, I had the privilege to meet some of the villagers coming from some of the remotest part of North Garo Hills and East Garo Hills. And when I talked to a group of people from one village, which is one of the smallest villages where there are hardly 48 households, I asked them, how many of you came? So 35 out of 48 households from a small, remotest part of the state, from across Silsang. So this is the kind of enthusiasm that the people have to participate in our collective call for bringing a change to the state. Exhaustive exercise. Nothing imaginative, but completely realistic. And these promises that we have made is based on our exhaustive due diligence of issues and to address those issues. To work out modalities to fulfill the dreams and aspirations of our beloved people. And as we all say, yes, in democracy, every political party, as we reach out to people seeking mandate during election, we must all be clear in our strategy, in our agenda, in our expected programs and policies to address all concerns of the people of the state for overall welfare of the people, growth and prosperity of the state. And when we make promises, the spirit of democracy demands that we fulfill those promises once we get mandate. Therefore, these promises that we have made is bound to be the promises that we will be implementing without doubt. So to all our friends and comrades belonging to other political parties who doubt our sincerity and commitment and competence and capacity to implement them, I will tell them to join us. We will show them how we implement these programs, how we implement these promises, how we fulfill these promises. I have reasons to believe that all our friends belonging to other political party must have been taken by surprise as to how we are going to, how we have been able to rather capture the needs of the people and to project the programs befitting to the aspirations of our people. So with all the support that the people have, the trust and confidence gives us inspiration and motivation. These whole promises that's reflected in the manifesto, which will be available for the people across the state.